world you made for us.
The heavens belong to the Lord, but the earth you gave to the children of men. You spoke the mountains into being, you stretched the heavens wide. You planted gardens in the earth and walked with man beside. The rivers flowed with blessing, the morning sang with light. The world you made was good and pure before the fall of night. But evil filled the earth with sorrow, and darkness filled our days. Still your love kept calling us back to your ways. Your love awakens my spirit for the world you made for man, a life where righteousness is living across the land. My heart longs for the morning when evil is no more. Yeshua, your love is calling me to the life we were created for. You did not leave your creation to the power of the grave. Messiah came in mercy to seek and save. You were pierced for our rebellion, you carried all our shame, so the earth could be restored again in the Father's name. The Spirit inside me remembers what the beginning was meant to be, and every word you spoke of promise caused my soul to see. Your love awakens my spirit for the world you made for man, a kingdom filled with justice across the land. My heart longs for the morning when wickedness is gone. Yeshua, your love is calling me to the world where we belong. A new heaven, a new earth. No more death, no more tears, no more curse. And God Himself will dwell with man. Your love awakens my spirit for the earth made new again, where righteousness is rising across the land. The darkness will be shattered, the curse will be undone. Yeshua, your love is calling us to the world that is to come. The earth will be filled with the knowledge of the Lord.
The world you made for us. Yeah. The world you made for us.
The heavens belong to the Lord, but the earth you gave to the children of men. You spoke the mountains into being, you stretched the heavens wide. You planted gardens in the earth and walked with man beside. The rivers flow with blessing, the morning sang with light. The world you made was good and pure before the fall of night. But evil filled the earth with sorrow, and darkness filled our day. Still your love kept calling us back to your way. Your love awakens my spirit for the world you made for man, a life where righteousness is living it for, yeah. You did not leave your creation to the power of the grave. Messiah came in mercy to seek and save. You were pierced for our rebellion. You carried all our shame so the earth could be restored again. In the Father's name, the Spirit inside me remembers what the begin was meant to be. And every word you spoke of promise calls my soul to see. Your love awakens my spirit for the world you made for man. A kingdom filled with justice across the land. My heart longs for the morning when wickedness is gone. Yeshua, your love is calling me to the world where we belong. A new heaven and a new earth. No more death, no more tears, no more curse, and God himself will dwell with men. Your love awakens my spirit for the earth made new again, where righteousness is rising across the land. The darkness will be shattered, the curse will be undone. Yeshua, your love is calling us to the world that is to come, yeah.